Hello and welcome to Fragola Performance Systems in Southington, Connecticut. My name is Brent McClellan, and today we'll be focusing on the installation of our 8000 series Push-Lite hose ends.
First, make a clean cut on the hose using a sharp razor blade or our rubber hose cutting tool, part number 9066. Secure the hose end into a vise using a pair of our aluminum vise jaws, noting that depending on the angle, you may have to tighten it up against the male AN fitting. Apply some light oil to the barbs on the hose end. We found that WD-40, Marvel Mystery Oil, or Lucas Engine Assembly Lubricant works well here. Slide a pair of Push-Lok hose clamps over the hose prior to assembly. You can find the right size for your application in our catalog or online. Hold the hose on a 45-degree angle and rotate slowly over a heat gun to soften the hose. This process should take approximately 15 to 20 seconds. Remove the hose from the heat and immediately push it over the barbs on the hose end. Using a pair of Push-Lok pliers, Fragola part number 999150, crimp your clamps down into place. Upon final assembly, we recommend flushing the hose out with solvent or water and pressure testing before use. We recommend our hose test kit, part number 900060, our flush and test kit, part number 900557BL.